Artificial Intelligence's Journey. 1950s, AI is born, and Alan Turing proposes the Turing test. 1956, the term artificial intelligence is coined by John McCarthy during the Dartmouth Conference. 1960 to 1970, early AI struggles with symbolic reasoning. 1980s, enter expert systems, attempting to mimic human expertise. 1990s, AI hits a bump, it's called the AI winter. 2000s, resurgence. Machine learning gains traction with practical applications. 2010, deep learning takes the spotlight, revolutionizing AI with big data. Present, AI is everywhere in our phones, homes, and cars. Future, quantum computing, more breakthroughs, and ethical AI developments.